Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Jamaican caramel pudding. First, let's create that beautiful golden caramel. You'll need about 1 cup of granulated sugar and a 1/4 cup of water. Heat them gently in a saucepan until the sugar dissolves, then increase the heat. Watch carefully as it turns a lovely amber color. Pour this hot caramel immediately into your baking dish, swirling to coat the bottom evenly. This forms the delicious base for our pudding. Now let's prepare the creamy pudding mixture. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs with about 1 cup of evaporated milk and half a cup of granulated sugar until well combined. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of freshly grated nutmeg for that authentic Jamaican touch. To ensure a silky smooth pudding, strain this mixture through a fine mesh sieve directly into your caramel-lined baking dish. This step removes any lumps or egg chalazi. Baking this pudding requires a gentle touch. Place your baking dish into a larger roasting pan. Carefully pour hot water into the roasting pan, ensuring it comes about halfway up the sides of your pudding dish. This water bath, or bain-marie, helps the pudding cook evenly and prevents it from cracking. Bake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour, or until just set. A knife inserted near the center should come out clean. Once baked, it's crucial to let your caramel pudding cool completely, preferably for several hours or even overnight in the refrigerator. This allows it to firm up properly. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edge of the dish to loosen the pudding. Place a serving plate upside down over the dish, then carefully invert them together. The rich caramel will cascade over the smooth pudding. Slice and enjoy this delightful Jamaican dessert, perhaps with a dollop of whipped cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.